Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to request a copy of your personal data in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Click on it. After doing so, you should scroll down a little bit and under the settings category you will find the privacy and sharing option. Press on it and here you should select the first option, which is request your personal data. After doing so, you should fill out some information here, for example your country and region, in what format do you want your data to be, for example Excel worksheet, and why are you requesting a copy of your data. Now you should select here a reason, and if you think that it is another reason that it is provided here in the list, you should just select the other option, and after that you should press request data at your bottom of your screen. And after that you should press here the text message SMS option, and after doing so you will receive a 6-digit code that you have to write in, and if you proceed with the next step, they will send you your copy of your personal data in the email address that is associated with your account. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.